Hello, my name is Peter and this is German style cooking. Today I'll show you how to prepare Tafelspitz with a horseradish sauce. The meat, which we call Tafelspitz in Germany, is a standing rump or top round in the US. Additionally, we need some butter, flour and horseradish. Before we start boiling our meat, we have to prepare a beef broth. A link to our beef broth recipe is in the corner above. Once our broth is ready, we have to prepare the meat. Therefore, we have to cut a little piece of it, give it to our test crew and see if they like it. Once everybody is satisfied with the quality of the meat, we put it in our broth and bring it to a boil. We keep it boiling for 2 to 3 hours minimum. Longer is no harm. After 3 hours of boiling, it's time to prepare our sauce. We melt some butter and roast some flour in it until we get this nice golden color. Once our mixture is nice golden and bubbly, we start adding slowly our beef broth. While we are adding this beef broth, we have to stir all the time in order to get a smooth consistency and no lumps in our sauce later on. You can add as much broth as you like. The more broth you add, the more liquid your sauce will be. Once we are happy with the consistency of our sauce, we add the horseradish, stir one more time, and we are done with the sauce. Now let's check for our meat. It's so tender that it's falling almost apart by itself. Now we just have to arrange our meat and our sauce with some potatoes and a little bit of fresh salad, and here we go. Tafelspitz with horseradish sauce.